This is a 2009 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 47,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Jim Hudson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1201 West Main Street in Lexington.